Dubai, a dazzling and fascinating megacity, offers everything, from its steamy hot summers and incredible modern skyline to its vast plains of rolling desert dunes. Sun, shopping, and some of the world's best hotels. People come to Dubai to get away from it all. From incredible modern architecture to glossy beaches and high-end restaurants and hotels, this is a stylish blend of a city and beach break. If you are planning a trip to this exciting city, you might be wondering how everything is after the peak of COVID-19 pandemic. Here's what you'll need to know and expect if you want to visit after the peak but with the COVID-19 pandemic still around. Dubai has been open again to visitors since August 2020, though all arrivals must present proof of vaccination or recent recovery from COVID-19, or a negative COVID test. There are no red list countries for travel to Dubai, and so anyone normally permitted to travel to the Emirate can do so. All passengers traveling to Dubai must present one of the following: valid vaccination certificate, including a QR code, showing that the passenger is fully vaccinated with a vaccine approved by the WHO or the UAE. A valid negative COVID-19 PCR test certificate issued within 48 hours from the time of sample collection and issued by an approved health service provider with a QR code. A valid medical certificate with a QR code issued by the relevant authorities that the passenger has recovered from COVID-19 within 1 month from the date of recovery to the date of arrival. Random spot checking is in place, so passengers may be requested to undergo a PCR test on arrival in Dubai and self-quarantine until they receive a negative result. Passengers who test positive for COVID-19 must follow the guidelines issued by the Dubai Health Authority. Transiting passengers are not required to present a PCR test certificate unless it is mandated by their final destination. Indian nationals with standard passport who are traveling to or from India via Dubai can obtain a visa on arrival in Dubai for a maximum stay of 14 days provided they have a visitor visa or green card issued by the US, or a residence visa issued by the UK or EU. As of July 8, the UAE has recorded 2,322 deaths related to COVID-19 and a total of 958,070 cases. Its vaccination rollout has been swift and comprehensive. More than 98% of the population is now fully vaccinated. The visitors can expect to wear masks in all indoor public venues as it is mandatory, but is now optional in outdoor spaces. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please press the like button. To watch more content like this, subscribe to Travel Spot and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.